Hey adventurers, welcome back to WebBuddy. Are you ready to take your adventures to the next level? Introducing the GoPro HERO12 waterproof action camera. Packed with groundbreaking features and innovations, this camera is ready to capture your wildest moments like never before. So let's jump right in and see what makes the HERO12 truly special. Introduction to the HERO12. The GoPro HERO12 is here to redefine the action camera experience. With its waterproof design, front and rear LCD screens, and a host of advanced features, it's the ultimate companion for all your adventures. High dynamic range video and photo. Experience best-in-class image quality with high dynamic range (HDR) for both videos and photos. Whether you are in bright sunlight or low light conditions, the HERO12 captures every detail with true-to-life color and precision. Unbelievable image quality. With 5.3K video resolution, the HERO12 offers an incredible 91% more resolution than 4K and a staggering 665% more than 1080p. Get ready to capture every moment with crisp detail and cinematic quality. Extended battery life. Thanks to its improved battery efficiency and the included 1720 mAh Enduro battery, the HERO12 delivers 2x longer runtime for 5.3K 60 video recording on each charge. Say goodbye to running out of battery mid-adventure. Extra large field of view. The HERO12 powerful image sensor provides the most expansive field of view ever on a GoPro camera. With an extra large 8:7 aspect ratio, you'll capture more of the sky and horizon in each shot, giving you endless creative possibilities. Hyper Smooth 6.0 Plus Auto Boost. Experience buttery smooth footage with Hyper Smooth 6.0 stabilization technology. Whether you're skiing down a mountain or biking through rough terrain, the HERO12 keeps your footage stable and shake-free. Plus, with Auto Boost, you'll never miss a moment of the action. Live streaming. Take your adventures to the next level with live streaming capabilities. Share your experiences in real time with friends and followers, no matter where you are in the world. And there you have it, folks, a closer look at the incredible GoPro HERO12. Now let's talk about how to buy it. Nothing has to do, just click the link given in description box. If you have not logged into your Amazon, then do it, and later you just have to mention your house address and residential area. Later you have to select your payment method and place the order, that's it. With its unbeatable image quality, extended battery life, and advanced features, it's the ultimate tool for capturing your adventures in stunning detail. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, happy adventure.